Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a government phone using an easy method. First, it is crucial to understand the specific eligibility requirements for government phone programs. Next, ensure your phone is completely paid off and unlocked from any network carrier, as this significantly increases its resale value. Finally, gather all original accessories, such as the charger, headphones, and the user manual, to present a complete package to potential buyers. These initial steps are vital for a smooth and successful sale. Once your phone is ready, it is time to determine its value. Research current market prices for similar government phone models, paying close attention to their condition and storage capacity, perhaps 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes. Factors like minor scratches or a pristine screen can affect the price by 20 to 30%. Select a reputable online marketplace or a local selling platform that offers good buyer protection and a wide audience for your listing. An effective listing is key to attracting buyers. Write a clear, detailed description that highlights the phone's key features, such as its camera quality or battery life, and accurately describes its condition. Take several high-quality photos from various angles, clearly showing any minor imperfections. Set a competitive price based on your research, but also allow for a small amount of negotiation, perhaps 5 to 10%, to encourage offers. As offers come in, communicate promptly and professionally with potential buyers. For local transactions, always arrange to meet in a safe public place, like a police station parking lot, to ensure security for both parties. If shipping, package the phone carefully with protective materials, such as bubble wrap, and use a tracked shipping service that includes insurance. This protects you against loss or damage during transit, ensuring a successful and worry-free sale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.